Okay, let's start now. Let's start the ball game.
Okay, this is we are now on the sixth week. Our first game is InvestLink versus Amy, Migration and Education. We are now live. We are now live on YouTube. Jump off. Ayung ano? Go. Lay up. 2 points. By light team, 2 points.
Pinasa po sa InvestLink, sa ilalim. Yon, nag-roll. Oy, foul committed. Ano po, shot clock.
Sinong foul?
Pushing foul.
Who's foul rep?
Oras.
Who's foul rep? Who's foul? 8 na. Two points. Foul, who's foul rep? 13, Amy.
Hindi kita yung
14 second shot clock. First throw, no good.
hindi kita yung board doon.
Second throw. Pasok. It's InvestLink ball. Nahanap po ng papasahan. Yan na, hinaras. TJ. Tumira ng 3. Salah. It's out of bound. It's Sammy's ball.
Ano?
Yan na, binababa po. Nagmamaylo. Binasa sa gitna. Tumira Gorospe. Pasok! Masarap ang pangulam ni Mr. Kevin Gorospe. 2 points.
Grospe. Si Grospe.
Pumasok sa gitna. Pinasa sa ilalim.
Number 9, lay up.
Lay up.
2 points by number 9.
Binababa po. 15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock.
Number 13, tumira. Wala, but we have a foul. Number 1, 1 foul.
Number 1 foul. First foul at first team foul.
Hindi parang hindi ako napunod eh. Hindi ko nawala ka, akala ko na uwi ka ng Pinas. Tapos
December
mas maganda.
Oh, may pera pa. Second throw, no good. Uy, foul. Committed.
We have a foul.
No foul
Okay.
daw po. No foul.
Violation, lane violation. One more.
One shot. Bonus throw. Uy, sinukat na. Malamig po. Panahon natin.
Wala pa
Good
rin.
again.
Rebound by number 12.
Ganado po si Mr. Kevin Gorospe.
Number 9. Nag-dribble. Pasa kay number 12. 12, tumira. Wala.
Nawala na naman ha.
Rebound by 16.
Uy.
Pumasok. Si Agulo.
15 second shot clock.
Number 9. Mid-dribble. Lay
10
up.
seconds.
Pasa kay Joe. Sasa sa tatay. Tatay.
Foul.
Lay up. Pasok. And we have a foul.
Number 16. Foul.
Free throw is good. Free throw.
Lahat na po napapasa si number 13. 15 second shot clock. Tomira.
Tumira, wala. Number 9.
Pinasa.
Pinasahan. Layup. Good. Score is 12-4.
Hinaharas po ni Mr. TJ. Pinasa.
Get ready, players. 5 minutes. Palit. Rebound by 15. 15. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Anthony. Tumira. Wala. Anthony again.
30 second shot clock.
Number 16, naagaw. Pasa kay number 9. Number 9, pasa kay number 12. Number 12, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number... Dumay ball. Wala.
15 second shot clock.
Pasa kay Medrano. Pasok.
Time out.
Sab. Payong 5. 5. Palit ng 5. Palit ng 5.
Yang second 5. Pasok po. Sir, pasuyo po ng ating uniform. Patakin.
Sunod na namin yung timeout namin. May timeout sila, di ba? Sunod na kami.
Sige po. Reserve timeout daw po ang investing.
Hindi, wala timeout. Timeout. Palitan lang yan. Palitan mo na. Palitan ng players. Walang timeout.
Kuya Raj, yung score
Tawag kayo ng timeout? Tawag kayo ng timeout? Sige, timeout kayo. Timeout. Timeout, Investlink.
Sir, yun daw po sa scoring, 6 daw yun. Sa investing. Pacheck nga po ng ating scoreboard.
Sino nakashoot isa? Ha? Si Madrano? Sensya na, medyo namangapa ako dito. Okay na? Okay, let's go. Back to the ball game. Score 15-6. JR nagdadala. Number 24. Pasa sa ilalim.
15 seconds.
Number 9. Wala. Out of bounds. Number 28. Pasa kay number 8. 8. Natapik. Push ball left. Right ball. Turnover. JR, pasa kay... Wala, out of bounds tayo. Same ball pa rin, same ball. Pasa sa ilalim. Tumira, number 10, wala. What's the call?
Number 14.
14, foul. Allen, nagdadala ng bola.
Pinasa.
31, pasa kay 28.
15 second shot clock.
28 kay number 8, tumira, tapos na rebound. Rebound niya. 40.
Mr. Jer.
24, nagdadala. Kay 14, tumira, wala.
15 second shot clock.
Napunta kay Best, pasa kay Allen, pasa kay number 8, naagaw. 1 minute 31 seconds. Foul by number 3. 2 shot.
Ilang foul na po yun?
Number 3, 1 personal foul.
Second team foul.
Arenares, first throw, wala.
Second throw.
Second throw, wala pa rin. Lane violation. 45 seconds left.
Bonus throw. Bonus throw.
Number 21. 21, wala pa rin. Nagagawan. Orange ball. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Disenyo to Allen. Allen kay Carl. Carl. Punta kay Thanos. Thanos. Lumay up. Anong matawag ba?
Last 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2 shots.
End of the first quarter.
First throw.
First throw by Mr. Tamus.
First throw, wala.
Pre, adjust ka talikod, malakas.
Second throw, wala pa rin.
Second throw, no good. Pre, atras ka lang kaunti. Malakas eh. Ngayon po, yan.
Ayan, bilit. Nasa ko dahil baga na silang pinakaswit, pinakariba.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Start the ball. Second quarter.
Second quarter. Ito tayo.
Start the ball. Second quarter.
Second quarter na tayo. 14 lang daw sabi.
It's Savis ball. Naghanap ng papasahan. Wakamay lumugs. Pinasa sa labas.
24. Pasa kay wala. Same ball. 17, 1 offensive rebound. Number 17. 17, 1 offensive rebound. Pasa kay number 12.
12 seconds.
24.
10 seconds. Shot clock.
24, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Thanos. 1 offensive shot. Nagagal. Pasok.
2 point.
Offensive rebound. Uy, tumira, tapos. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, tumira ng 2. Wala, nagagawan, and we have a foul. Foul by number 18. First personal foul. First team foul.
Binababa mo ni Mr. Nagorin.
24. Pasa kay 17. 17, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 31. Offensive rebound, number 31. 31, nagdadala. Pasa kay 18.
2 second shot clock.
18, pasa, tumira, wala
10
pala.
second shot clock.
And we have a foul by who's foul rep? Foul daw siya. Okay.
Substitution po. Substitution muna.
Number 10 foul. First team foul. Substitution.
Substitution. Pare, konting diet.
tumira si Best, wala. Gagawan, offensive rebound by 17. Offensive rebound, 17. 17, pasa. Up, nakuha ni Best. Besenyo, may up, wala. And same ball tayo, same ball. Shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock.
Allen, tumira ng wala, pero we have a foul by number 21. We have a foul by number 21.
Substitution.
Wala na si 20. Next time out. First free throw by number Allen. First free throw, pumasok. Second free throw. Wala. We have one more.
Last throw.
Third free throw, wala pa rin. Na-rebound. Nagagawan sa ilalim.
10 seconds shot clock.
And we have a violation. Traveling. Time out. Amy.
Ay, ikaw eh. Shot clock lang para rin. Shot clock. Pare, nandun. Lamang po ang AV with a score of 16-7 in favor of Amy. 9 points lead. Love you.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game na po tayo.
Number 9, pasa balik kay number 9. Number 9. Number 12, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound, out of bounds. Four minutes, 50 seconds left. Second quarter. Number 13, nagdadala.
50 seconds shot clock.
Pasa kay Bedrano. Number 16, Gamaya, wala. We have a foul by number 28. 13 foul. First personal foul. Bedrano, wala. Number 16. Second throw. Second throw, wala pa rin. Rebound. Rebound ng number 6. 06. Nagaw. May steal, number 12. May steal si number 12. 25, tumira, wala. Dumidribble. Dumidiretso, pinasa kay Allen. Allen. Balik kay number 10. Number 10.
50 seconds shot clock. 50
Number 10,
seconds.
tumira, wala. But we have a foul. Foul by number 9. Ilan? 2 personal fouls. Warning for penalty. First free throw. Pasok. Number 10. First free throw, pasok. Second free throw by number 10. Wala. Rebound, number 23. Number 9. Pasa kay number 12. Pumasok sa load. Pasa kay... Wala.
Uy! Sayang! Nagulat po. Nagulat. 50 seconds shot clock.
15 seconds. Number 9, number 12, tumira ng dos. Wala pa rin. And out of bounds. Orange ball.
Binababa po. Naghahanap po ng papasahan.
13, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound number 12. Rebound number 12. 25. Number 10. Number 10. Tumira, tapos. Number 06. 06, gabay up. Wala, rebound number 25. 2 points by number 25. Number 13, nagdadala. 13.
15 seconds, shot
Tumira
clock.
ng 3 si number 13, wala.
Air ball.
And out of bounds. 1 minute, 35 seconds left. Pasa kay 25, number 9. Kay number 12, tumira ng 3. We have a foul by number 15. Foul by number 15.
Number 15, foul. Ilang foul po si number 15? Isa pa lang daw po. At ang
One personal foul.
ilang team?
Second team foul.
Second team foul.
First throw, pasok.
Masarap po ang pangulam ni Mr. Kevin Gorospe.
Number 12, second throw. Second throw, pasok din.
Uli.
Galing.
Last shot by Mr. Kevin Gorospe.
Balik ka.
Yun lang.
Sa third throw, wala. Ano yung ring? We have a foul. Number 5, 25, personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty na po ang English League. 2 shots.
Penalty ng Amy.
Ayaw eh.
19 seconds left.
Ayaw.
First throw, kapos.
Love you, Mami.
One more.
Last 7 seconds.
Number 15, kapos pa rin. 3 seconds, rebound by number 12. Tumira si number 9, 3 points, good to go.
Wala. Gusto pang i-break yung tira ko sa kabila.
Ayaw nga to. Ayaw.
Gusto pang i-break. Ganado po si Mr. Kevin Gorospe. Start na po ang third quarter. Both teams, ingat lang po sa laro at kasiyahan po tayo dito. Game. Pasok po ang tig-5.
Di na kasi kapag nag-graduate.
Game.
Orange ball. Tumira, wala. Out of bounds. White ball. TJ, pasa kay 06, lumay up, pasok. 2 points by 06. Number 13. Pasa kay Thanos. Number 18, lumay up, papasok ba? Wala. Rebound by number 31. Defensive rebound, 31. Number 10, tumira, wala. Rebound, defensive rebound, number 8. Number 8, lay up, wala, but we have a foul by number 1. First personal foul, first team foul, 2 shots coming for number 8. First throw. Wala. First throw, no good.
Yan. Last throw.
Second throw. Pasok, number 8. Number 8. Pumasok yung free throw.
Mr. TJ. Hinaharas po. 50 seconds shot clock.
Lumay up, wala. Magagawan. Number 8, number 8. Pasa kay 13, 13. Pasok, number 13, 2 points. TJ nagdadala.
Naghahanap po ng papasa si Mr. TJ. 50 seconds shot clock.
Number 10, balik kay number 8.
10 seconds shot clock.
Pasa kay 06, wala. Nagagawan, rebound by Thanos. Rebound by 18, offensive rebound. Number 13. 13, lumay up, kapos, wala. White ball.
It's white ball.
Number 8, nagdadala. Pasa kay
50 seconds shot clock.
28, tumira, pasok. And we have a foul. 28, 2 points.
And one shot.
Number 8, number 8. Foul by number 8. Ilan na? 2 personal fouls. First team foul. 2 shots by bonus shot. Bonus shot is good by 28.
Tatawag.
Number 8, nagdadala.
50 seconds shot clock.
Number 8, tumira. May foul tayo.
Convenient.
Foul by 06.
Blocking foul by number 6.
06, blocking foul. First personal foul, 2 team foul. Second team foul.
2 shots by number 8.
Number 8, first throw, wala.
No good. First draw. Kuya Ran, Englishit mo para makarelate yun si Cockroach. Second draw. Uy, good.
Second throw, pumasok, number 8.
Mr. TJ ang nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Bata crossover move. Iwan, pati kaluluwa. Tumira ng 3. Mr. Uy,
Wala, offensive rebound, number 8. Offensive rebound, number 8. Number 8, lay up, wala. Rebound na number 10, defensive rebound.
foul.
Sinong foul?
Number 8. Pushing foul by number 8.
Number 8, personal foul. Third personal foul. Number 8, DJ Lamea.
Pasok.
2 points by number 8.
Magaling talaga si Mr. TJ.
Next time out.
Naharas. Pinasa po. Best. Pinasa sa kita ay Mr. Thanos.
Thanos, tumira. Offensive rebound by Thanos. 18, offensive rebound. 13, tumira ng 3. Wala.
Yun, tumapik.
And we have a foul.
Time out.
28. Foul. We have a timeout by Amy.
Score po natin ay 26-12 in favor of Amy.
Four minutes, 30 seconds left.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 and 10 seconds for the third quarter.
Okay. Orange ball, pasa sa ilalim. Nagagawan. Nagaw, 24, pinasa sa 25, lumay up. Pasok, number 25, 2 points. Allen. Allen, number 3, kinaharas. Number 8, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 8, tumira, kapos. Pasa kay 27, tumira, pasok. Nabuha pa foul. What a everyone play. Foul by number 15, Teague. 2 personal fouls, 3 team fouls. Bonus throw by number 25 ba yun? Bonus free throw. Wala. Sayang. Nagagawan. Napunta kay 14. Lumay up. Pasok. Number 14, 2 points. Abul. Pasa kay David Cooks. David Cooks. Tumira. Masyado malakas. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
White ball.
It's white ball.
Kaya mo.
Binababa po ni Mr. J. Alaguri.
JR, bakit kay JR
15
ulit?
seconds
Pasa kay
shot
25, pasa kay 17,
10 seconds
tumira si
shot
14, pasok, number 14, 2 points.
Good for 2 points.
15,
Pinaharas po ni Mr. J. Alaguri.
15, pasa kay number 8,
Nahanap ng screen. 10 seconds shot
10 seconds, shot clock. Number 10, tumira, banda, pasok. Good for 2 points for number 10. Oh, nagaw. May steal si number... May steal tayo.
What a size step.
Kay Allen, number 3, may steal. Rebound by 25, defensive rebound. Olinares. We have a foul by number 15. We have a foul by number 15. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Shot clock po natin ay 15 seconds.
24. Pasa kay 17 sa ilalim. Wala, naagaw. Steal by Medrano. We have a steal by Medrano.
Papasahan. Yan.
Again, may steal si number 25. May steal. Layup by 25. Pasok. 2 points.
Uy, what a crossover.
Number 8. Namamadali. Tumira. Pasok. 2 points by number 8. 45 seconds left. Number 13, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 10. Medrano. Nawala yung bola. White ball. $23 seconds. Olinares. To Agurin.
15 seconds shot clock.
Agurin, balik kay Medina, 17.
10 seconds
Agurin,
shot clock.
pasa kay Olinares.
5 seconds
Lumaya,
shot
wala.
clock.
Nahagaw. Nagmamadali si Allen, nagmamadali. And that's it for the third quarter.
Ang score po natin ay 36-16 in favor of Amy.
Okay. Fourth quarter na tayo.
Start for the fourth quarter. Start na po tayo. Players.
Bola ng Amy. Inbound. Naagaw ni muntik na. Number 8. Number 8. Kay number 1. Umikot. Tumira si number 12. Pasok. 2 points. Number 12. Number 13. Kay 28. Balik kay 13. Number 10.
15 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock.
Tumira si number 10. Wala. Nagagawa. Nakuha ni Thanos. Yeah, by rebound by Thanos. Defensive rebound. Kaninong foul? Two points by Ralph. 31. 2 points. Number 9. Pasa kay number 12. We have a foul. By number 13. Personal foul by number 13. First personal foul, first team foul, first throw, pasok. Number 12, pasok yung first throw. Second throw. Second throw, wala. Rebound by number 10. 13 to number 10. Esenio, pass off. Pinasa sa kalaban. Kanino kaya? Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9, lumay up. Pasok. Number 9, 2 points. Number 13, magdadala. Magdadala up. Kuntik na maagaw. Napunta kay 28. Pasa kay
10 seconds.
31, number 31, pumasok, 2 points. Number 9 to number 12, balik kay number 9. Number 9, tumira ng dress. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Rebound by number 10. 13. Tumira, wala. 31. Wala pa rin. And okay, we have a violation. Stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line. Tumunog. Stepping.
Orange ball, we have 40-20, kalahati. Number 13, tumira ng tres, wala. TJ. Kay number 12. Kay number 9, lumayak si number 9. Pasok. 2 points by number 9. 42-20 is our score.
15 seconds. Shot clock.
Number 13.
10 seconds shot clock.
Nagawa si number 13. Steal.
Mr. DJ.
Number 8, 2 points plus a steal by number 8. Number 18.
Foul by number 8.
Foul number 8.
Blocking foul.
Blocking foul by number 8. Number 13. 13, pinasa up. Last touch.
Sayang.
Turnover. Sayang. Okay, number 9, nagmamadali. Lay up. Wala. Up. Kaninong ball? Okay, turnover tayo. Orange. Time out sa number 5 minutes, okay?
Hanap ng papasahan.
Number 13, pasa kay Ralph. Ralph, tumira. Number 31, 2 points. Number 31, 2 points. Time out! Time out, White. Ano mo yan?
Red. Red. Player ka, nakatakbid ka, no? Player ka, tapos nakatakbid ka, no?
Okay, yung rule po natin, pag more than 20 yung lamang, wala tayong stop clock, okay? Pag more than 20 yung lamang, wala tayong stop clock sa last 3 minutes.
Running time po yun.
So hopefully may baba nyo ng less than 20 para mayroon tayong stop clock. Back to the ball game. White ball. JR.
JR agreed. Nahanap ng pinasa. Mr. Kevin
Number
Crosby.
12.
Tumalaksak.
Kay number
50
9.
seconds. 50 second shot clock.
24. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nagaw ba? Hindi. Tumira hook shot si number 24. 2 points.
Binababa po ni number 8.
Number 8. Lumay up. Court to court move. 22-point lead. Number 9. Pinasa sa kampe sa labas.
Up, Tokito.
Babigay mo na sa referee.
Hold. Hold muna daw, sabi ni Rep.
46-24. Last 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Pasa kay Ralph. Ralph, tumira ng dos. Wala. Nagagawan. Nakuha ni 14. Number 9. Pasa kay 25. Wala. Nagaw ni offensive rebound ni 25. Nagaw ni
Number 8. Sumalaksak niya. Naghanap ng papasa sa ilalim.
Number 8. Lumay up. Wala. But we have a foul by number 9. First
Pushing foul by number 9.
third personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots. 3 minutes, so wala na po tayong stop clock. First throw is pasok. Number 8. Second throw, wala. Nakakuha ni 14. Rebound ni 14.
Mr.
Rebound ni 14.
Binababa. Pinasa sa
Pasa kay assist kay 25. Number 9, assist.
last 2.
Number 8, ang mamadali, umikot.
What a speed.
Umikot, pasok. Number 8.
Mabangis.
20, nagaw. Oh, kanino, hindi pala. Pasa sa ilalim, Gruspe.
Pinaharas po
Kay JR. And
Yang magpasa.
no shot. No shot. 31, personal foul. Number 12. Wala. Meron tayong technical. 1 shot.
Technical foul. Committed.
Fourth personal foul, number 15, Morning. Next up, wala. Sab, sige, pasok.
Pasok po yung magsasab.
1 minute 30 seconds left. Agurin to Saldua. Pasa, wala. Number 12, Tumira. Tapos napunta kay number 12 ulit. 2 points by number 12. Dito si number 8. Pasa kay 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 9. 50 seconds left.
15 second shot clock.
24 to
10 second shot
number
clock.
12. 3-point shot. Wala. Allen, lumay up. Wala pa rin. 30 seconds left. Number 9. And we have a foul.
18 second shot clock.
16. We have a foul by number 16.
Last 15 seconds. Time remaining.
Wala. 10 seconds left. Allen. Lumayap si Allen. Pasok.
Last 3 seconds. 2, 1.
And that's it. Players,
Not counted.
we will take a photo, okay?